Welcome to Serbian History in 5 Minutes. Buckle up, kings, wars, Tesla, and ćevapi ahead. Long ago, brave Slavic tribes settled in the Balkans. They liked mountains, rivers, and arguing about who invented what. By the Middle Ages, Serbia became powerful under kings like Stefan Nemanja, a true medieval boss. His son, Saint Sava, didn't want battles. He built schools, churches, and brought peace. Then came the 14th century and King Dusan, the guy who made Serbia an empire. But in 1389, the Battle of Kosovo changed everything. It was tragic but heroic, and still remembered 600 years later. For centuries after that, Serbia lived under Ottoman rule. Tough times, but full of folk songs and resistance. Then came uprisings. Karađorđe said, "Enough is enough," and started the fight for freedom. After 2 revolutions, Serbia was independent again. In the late 1800s, Serbia got kings again and a reputation for bravery and stubbornness. Then came 1914. One shot in Sarajevo started World War I. Serbia lost so much, but never gave up. Better grave than slave became their motto. After the war, Yugoslavia was born, a mix of South Slavs under one flag. Then came World War II. Chaos again. Serbia resisted with courage and humor. After the war, Yugoslavia 2.0 under Tito. Cool jackets, socialism, and lots of parades. Life was chill, travel, music, and brotherhood and unity, well, mostly. But in the 1990s, Yugoslavia fell apart and Serbia faced wars, sanctions, and lots of TV speeches. Then, 2000. Protests, change, and hope for a better future. Enter the 21st century. Serbia rebuilds, joins sports tournaments, and exports rakia. Nikola Tesla, the pride of Serbia, the man who powered the modern world. Famous Serbs: Nikola Tesla, Pupin, Milenkovic, Novak Djokovic, Nikola Jokic. Science, sport, brains, and backhands. Modern Serbia: cafes, festivals, humor, and memes for every situation. Still proud, still loud, and always ready for a barbecue. From medieval kings to TikTok chefs, Serbia always finds a way to stand out. Music, from folk to turbo to techno, Serbia's got rhythm. Every crisis made Serbia tougher. Every joke made it stronger. Serbia might be small, but its history is larger than life. A land of humor, heart, and heroism. That's Serbia History in 5 Minutes. Subscribe for more fun world stories.